volume on, my head I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster. Turned to a savage, pocket got fatter.
Y'all, what's up with y'all? Today's video is going to be a tip on how to get waves. My God. For beginners and middle stages. Because the people that already got waves, they know. Well, some of them know. But the most important thing you need is do-rag. Let's see. You know I have
collection. I like collection. No, collection. I just started doing this.
This my little do-rag collection. Y'all fellas can use this. That's what I use.
Cost about $10.
Y'all heard it. It cost about $10. Not that much. If you could spend $100 on some Jordans, you can spend $10 on some wave grease. Well, it's not even wave grease. It's natural.
Shea butter.
Aight. On the for real note, let me stop playing with y'all. Stop playing with y'all. For real. The real life tips on how to get waves. I'm gonna be dead here. Tips from me, light skin. Okay. People gonna ask me if I'm pretty sure people gonna ask me if I'm mixed or not. Honestly and truly, I don't know. I just know my pops, a true light skin, he got good hair. If I can find a picture, insert it in the video. If I can't, then y'all just have to see him later on in the future. But my mama, she got some good hair too. But I really don't want to get on the subject of my family, so yeah. But so don't ask me if I'm mixed or not, because I'm gonna tell you I don't know. But my hair, when I first cut it, because I used to have afro, it was real long. When I first cut it, it was straight. It wasn't wavy, it was straight.
We'll insert a picture.
I'll insert a picture. Tip number 1. Be patient, my guy. You can't just go home, get a haircut, go home, and do this right here. You can't just go home, buy a do-rag. It don't even matter. It don't have to be a silky. Buy a do-rag and just put it on and be like, oh, just because I put a do-rag on and do this right here, I'm just put this on regular. I ain't even gonna tie it how I usually tie it.
Put it on real quick, just because you put do-rag on, boom. Just gonna tie it real quick. Boom.
Boom. Put it back down. Boom. Don't think just because you go home, don't worry about it. It was a quick tie. No, it ain't looking A1. But yeah, you can see my waist through the rag, I know. But anyway, don't think just because you go home, you do this, you can go to sleep, wake up. Oh, it's in the morning. You can take your do-rag off and you can do this and then you can be swimming. No, don't work like that, my guy. Don't. The longest it took me to get some waves was 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So, from me to you, be patient. Tip number 1. Tip number 2, don't overdo your hair, bro. Like, don't damage your hair because you like, oh, you see another wave and his wave's just 360 hitting his crown A1. Like, don't go home and be like, oh, he was dipping. Like, he was killing me. Everything takes time, my guy. Everything takes time, my guy. So don't go just rubbing in all type of 360 wave grease and all that other stuff he be using. I don't use that. 360 wave grease never touched my hair. Never a day in my life. I don't use all that. But that's tip number 2. Just don't put too much product. Tip number 3 is kind of similar to tip number 2, but it's a little different. It's the way you wash your hair. When you wash, don't overwash, because it's gonna your hair gonna frizz up. You gonna put frizz in your hair, and it's gonna be hard to lay it down. You gonna put your do-rag on, you gonna take it off. It's still gonna be, well, for my hair, it's gonna be frizzy in the back. It's gonna curl. I'm gonna have to go back to my barber and tell him to trim it back down. Anyway, that's tip number 3. This right here, this not mine, but I use it. See, it got a long little spray to it. I use it, but I use it. It costs like approximately $10. Pretty cheap. It's reasonable. And you ain't got to spray. You can spray, and it's gonna do a long little spray. It's gonna be on there. It's helpful. Tip number 4. You need to buy you a small mirror. Like, you gotta have a big mirror. Like, it's a mirror right there, and this one right here. But I mostly use that one. So get a mirror like that, and then get a small one, little hand mirror like your barbers have. You know how they do it to show you the back of your hair. You need one of those, so you can get it, and you can have it in it, and you can know how to brush. You can know what to work at on your crown, you know. Cause my crown, it's a process right now. I'm trying to get that in, you know. So don't say nothing about my crown. But yeah, you need one of those too. I think it's real helpful. You can use a toothbrush to work on your crown. A lot of people don't know that. Yes, you can use a toothbrush. How females use toothbrushes for their edges, like how my girlfriend use a toothbrush to lay her edges. Yes, you can use a toothbrush. Something you niggas don't use. Something you guys don't use nowadays. Teeth be pure ass yellow. You can use a toothbrush and, yeah, lay that down. That's tip number 4. Tip number 5. Be consistent. Do not do something for one day and just think, oh, just because you did it this one day, 2 weeks later, you take your rag off and it's gonna bang, it's gonna be weight. You will see some process, but you ain't gonna see 100% process. Brushing every day. You gotta brush every day. Do-rag before you go to sleep. Put that on every night before you go to sleep. Every night. You don't have to wash every day. Everybody know that. Products, some people do it every day, but I say that's not healthy for your hair. It's gonna dry out your scalp, and you're gonna start having dandruff. Your brush gonna get dirty faster. So boom, I'm just going over. So tip number 5, be consistent. Brush every day. Rag up every day before you go to sleep. And if you want to, you can wash every day, but I feel like that'd be overdoing it, and that's gonna cause your hair to mess up. It's gonna knock a little stuff out, but you can if you want to. Tip number 6, do not compare yourself to somebody else. This is a main part right here. Do not compare yourself to somebody else. I said this previous in this video. You can't, like, okay, you see how the top of my head is spinning, and I showed y'all my crown and it's not spinning. Like, it's another big YouTube out there like Sir Cruz, 360G's, like how they all the way around. I don't compare myself to them, cause like I said, it takes time. Like, they didn't just jump in the wave game and they stuff just bang, everything connected and everything just swimming. No, everything takes time. So I'm on a journey with my crown and my back. So you can't just look at another wave and think, oh, just cause he's swimming or he just started like a month ago, you gotta think about it, that's a month, and you just got yours cut, or however the time frame may be. You can't compare yourself to him, and he can't compare himself to you. There's no comparison. So don't do that. And even with the hair texture, there's a lot of people trying to compare their waves to mine because the hair texture. Don't do it. You don't get nothing out of it. Like, you don't. But yeah. Tip number 7. Always be confident with yourself. Cause you see me. Oh, you see me. Oh, you see me. I feel myself every goddamn day. Yes, and I had to cuss. I apologize. I had to cuss. I be feeling myself. Bitch, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yeah, I be geeking. Be geeking. Nah, for real. Tip number 7. Fellas, do not let your girl grab your brush and do this. Do not let her do that. Do not let her do that. Because she do that, what I just did, is going to get your grain, bro. It's going to mess up the train of your hair. You training your hair to lay it down. If you still, you see, mine will lay down easy because I already have it trained. But don't let her knock your hair off. Don't ever go against your grain no matter what. That's tip number 7. Don't ever, like, if you brush, like however you brush your hair, it's all about how you brush your hair. Because however you brush, that's how your wave's gonna come in. So, as you see, of course, I brush my hair straight this way. On my crown, I brush it down like this. And then I brush the back down. And I go all the way around. Like that. So, don't ever go against your grain because you're gonna be knocking your hair off of its way it's supposed to form. Your hair is gonna be confused on which way you want it to go, and you ain't gonna see no type of process. So tip 7, don't go against the grain. Go with the grain. That's all I can think of right now. That's 7 quick tips on how to get waves. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give me a thumbs up. Make sure y'all comment and let me know something, because y'all probably know something I don't know and I can say it for y'all. Subscribe, I guess. Hit the bell so you get notified when she posts, because this is going on her channel for the guys, her fellow subscribers that have waves or that want to get waves, or the female that have waves. Yeah, I'll be showing y'all in the next video how to do it and not just telling y'all what it is. I'll be showing y'all basically in the next video how to do it. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'll be showing y'all how it works and how I do mine.